Guys, what is up? Clay with EKNIVES.com. Super stoked to bring these. A good buddy of mine, Jonathan McNees from McNees Custom Knives. This is his performance machine line called the Mac 2. This is a bronze satin stonewash finish blade. And most of this work is done in-house. It's 100% American made, which is not cheap, as you guys know, to try to do this all in the USA and not send it to China or overseas. It's not easy, but that's what Jonathan has done, and most of it's done in-house. So great to support an American veteran like McNees Custom Knives. So I've got several options in these. All of them run on caged bearings, super smooth. These are stonewash finish blades. I've got blue anodized, I've got bronze anodized, and then I've got regular ties. So all of these come with a People to Shank McNees Custom Knives notebook. So you can put your list of patrons in that sucker in your little black book. So here we go. I've got all these options in stock now. It comes with his new Be Nice mantra, which we all could use, Mac 2, and then it comes in his McNees Custom Knives box, so that he just came out with. So guys, all this, oh, and a COA as well, forgot about that. 20 CV steel. EKNIVES.com, limited on these guys. I've got a few of each model, style, color, and finish in stock. Call or text me if you have any questions, 423-525-9477. Don't forget to be nice.